Hello everyone, I am Akash and you are watching NetCell Programming. So, in the last tutorial we have discussed about the function, and in this tutorial we are going to discuss about the return statement. So, here whatever we just do the value, whatever we operate, whatever we do the operation in the function, we have to return the value. So here I am going to define a function which is square. Here I will square a number, so there is a parameter named num, and here I just declare return and num into num. So whatever will be the operation, it will num into num, and the exact answer will be got returned out in the output. So just call the function here square and pass the value which is 6. So here I am just passing the value of num which is 6, and it will go here and it will happen 6 into 6, and our output should be 36. So let's run this program and let's see. But in the output we can see that our output is blank. Why? Because we have done a mistake. We haven't just printed out the statement. We have just called the function but we haven't printed it out. So just use the print statement here, and in the parentheses call the function square. Now run this program. 6 into 6 will happen and our output should be 36. So let's see. You can see in the output that our output is printed out, and which is our correct answer, 36. So we can do a little changes here. I'm going to remove the return, and you will see what will happen when we use return and what will happen when we remove the return. So let's run this program. You can see that in the output is none, because 6 is just go back to the num and nothing is got printed, because we are just returning nothing. That's why I just put the return statement one more time and run this program. You can see that 36 is now printed successfully. So you can use also a variable. I'm using result variable, and the answer of the square 6 will be got inserted in the result variable. So I'm going to cut this square 6 where I am just calling the functions, and I'm going to paste it here. So everything what is inside this function will now stored in the result variable, and I'm going to print the result variable here. So let's run this program. Let's see what our output will be. So you can see that our output is correct. It is 36, and we can change a little bit in this program. So I'm going to remove this 6, and instead of this I'll add 8. You can see that function is working perfect, and our output is 64. I'm going to just change a little bit, that I'm going to use a print statement here. So let's see our print statement will work or not. Actually our print statement will not work. I'm just typing a hello statement, and let's run the program. Okay, you can see in the output that 64 got printed, but our statement which was hello is not got printed. Why? Because return just doing the operation num into num. It is done. It have returned the value which was 64. It has no meaning with the print hello. Return is done here. So whatever is after the return will not got printed in the output. I'm going to just make a little change here. You can do anything. I just did square. You can do cube here. So I'm going to declare cube function, and here I add into num, and here I just change the function name which is cube now. Okay, so after running this program, the cube of 8 will got printed. You can see that 512 is the correct value of 8 cube. So everything is working properly. Our function which was cube is working properly, our return statement is doing its work, and after whatever return whatever is statement after the return is not got printed. So that was all about the return function. It just returned the exact answer whatever is operation inside the function is doing. Okay, so that was all about this video. If you enjoyed it, please give a thumbs up, and if you want to watch more videos, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.